Hello everybody, welcome to Mii Paintings. I'm Veronika Mii and I'm happy to see you again here. As you can see, I prepared another rainbow tutorial for you. I'll be using all these beautiful colors in my special pour. I'm using cadmium yellow, Indian yellow, cadmium red, mauve, permanent violet, cerulean blue. This is turquoise, this is different brand, Solo Goya, yellow, green, and the last one is Viridian Velo. So all these colors will be in my pour, and I always get questions, how do you mix your colors? So I decided to show you how I mix them. So I put a little bit of my Viridian green in this cup. I apologize, it's dirty, all of my sticks and cups are dirty. That's because I like reusing them. I don't like to waste anything, so I always wash them and use them again because I don't like wasting money. So I've got my tiny color here, and then I've got my pouring medium. I make my own pouring medium from glue and water. I mixed 60% of PVA glue and 40% of water. This mixture creates my pouring medium. So I'm going to pour a little bit of my pouring medium in just to cover the whole cup. So that's probably 1:1 ratio. And now I'm going to mix it up. You have to make sure you mix it up well, otherwise it wouldn't create nice cells. Yeah, ratio 1:1 works in this case, but if you have different brands of colors, you need to figure out your ratio. Sometimes you have to put more pouring medium in, sometimes less pouring medium. Yeah, this looks like the right consistency. It's dripping slightly like this. I'm going to add 2 drops of silicone oil in my green, and I already added 2 drops of silicone in the rest of colors. Now I'm going to mix it up a little bit, not too much, like this, and that's it. As my base, I'll be using white mixture of titanium white and also pouring medium. This was also mixed in ratio 1:1, but I've got different brand. This is what I bought in local art shop, but there is no silicone in my white, so that's just mixture of white and pouring medium. And I'm going to pour this on my canvas like this, and I need to keep a little bit for later on. Let's spread it everywhere. Yep, this should be all right. And now I can start pouring my colors here. So I start with yellow here on the top edge. That's yellow. It's nice. And now orange, another puddles, because I want to have nice mixture of colors. Now I've got my white here, and I'm going to add 2 drops of silicone oil in my white. This is my swiping color, and I'm going to pour a little bit here on this edge, like this. And I've got this piece of plastic here, which I'll use as a swiping tool. It's something between thick and thin. I'll just gently push all the way up there and create something interesting. Nice mixture of colors. I'm going to move it down because I don't want my left part to be white, so let's just move it down a little bit so my white disappears. Yep, like this. Nice. And I'm gonna do another thing. So let's make another swipe, because I like making lots of swipes. Swipe is my favorite method. So I'm gonna pour this white here on the top again, like this. I've got bigger piece of plastic which fits just this canvas, so let's try. Put it here everywhere and then gently swipe down like this. Wow, look at that! Look at the beautiful range of colors. I hope I will get some thin, colorful cells. Let's move it down a little bit. Let's move these cells down. I want to have nice bottom part. Let's use my heat gun, which is cheap one from Lidl, but it works well, and I hope it will create some colorful big cells here. Wow, I'm so in love with this pour. I love the rainbow effect on this. Look at that. Look at these beautiful colors. And then these cells will grow bigger, so they will create a really thin cells, and I think it will be perfect for some kind of embellishment, or maybe I'll just keep it like this because it looks so beautiful. Well, I'm gonna let this dry for about a week, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. Hello, welcome back. My pour is dry. I love how these rainbow cells turned out. Look at that, it's such a beautiful structure. And all these thin lines, they make beautiful pour. And I'd like to turn this pour into a 3D piece. And for that, I'll be using my Space Black acrylic marker, which will help me to see where my interesting shapes will be. So I just start by drawing these shapes. I will follow natural lines of these cells. I would like them to layer on the top of each other, so I'll try to follow this cell pattern with my acrylic marker. So I'm gonna keep it like this. I might continue doing this bottom part, but it might look nice if it's just simple cells and this 3D effect. And here comes the shading part. I need to decide where my top layers will be and underneath layers, and it will be super easy. I'll just use my Mars Black acrylic color, this one, and these types of brushes if you can see them, for blending my black size 5 and 6. So I put my brush in a little bit of water, then this layer looks like it will look nice when it will be on the top. So I start with shading. I simply put a little bit of black acrylic here and then put my brush in water again, and I'll just shade it, make shades like this. And because this one will be on the top, I will make shades everywhere. So this. Okay, so let's make the rest of my shades and I'll show you the finished result. And then I decided to paint all these shapes on the bottom of my canvas as well, because I think it will look nicer. And the last thing which I'm gonna do, I'm gonna highlight these top shapes so they will stand out from the rest of the shapes, and for that I'll use my acrylic white Posca pen. And this is result of my layered rainbow acrylic pour. As you can see, you can create absolutely amazing 3D pieces out of your acrylic pours. Let your imagination be free and you can create anything you want. I hope this tutorial was inspirational for you. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. You can also join my Facebook group, which is called Create With Me, and show us your beautiful creations. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you are all healthy and safe. I wish you good luck with your art and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye!